Kerry and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to those of you who are new here. Welcome to the vlog. Today's video is going to be a spring summer 21 try on haul from Hollister. I do have one piece that I bought from Principles at Debenhams in the sale, obviously because they're going under. So I may bring that in, I don't know yet, but let's see how I get on. So here we have it. It's a big bag, well, ish. I think I bought about 6 or 7 items. I can't quite remember what I bought. I know that I did buy some like cargo utility kind of trousers. So let's open them up and have a look. So as with most things with Hollister, I buy them in the sale. It's very rare that I will buy anything at full price, but I have my list here. So let's see if I can identify what they are. So I bought 6 items. So the first one, have a look. It's like a t-shirt, or is it? No, it's the Go Shorty leggings. I think I bought from Gilly Hicks. So these are the Gilly Hicks high rise Go Shorty leggings. I really liked the last pair that I got. I will link the video up here for you when I compared Gilly Hicks to Fabletics. So I did order some more shorts, this time in an extra large. Should have been £25 and were £11.25. So we will try those on shortly. Let's see what else we got. Next up, I got this cute little white lace ribbed tee, California on the front. It's looking a little bit shorter than what I was expecting it to be. I was hoping it would come down more, but I think it must be kind of a cropped one. So this one should have been £17 and was £6.80. Next up, I bought another one of the ribbed tees. Again, it's a bit shorter than I was thinking, but this one is in lilac. I really like the design on the front. The bits around here, the flowers and the leaves are embroidered, and then this is printed on. So whether or not that is actually going to stretch across my boobs when I put it on, I don't know. It's in an extra large, as was the white one. Again, was meant to be £17 and was £6.80. Next up, we have some more leggings. These are from the Gilly Hicks range, as in I did in my last video, like I said, where I compared Gilly Hicks to Fabletics. I got the same sort of print but in a different colour. This is in an XXL, so these are the super high rise leggings. I think they're the let's have a look again. Yes. So these are the Go Recharge leggings, even extra large. Should have been £35 and were £14, so £21 off those. So something a little bit more feminine at this time, and I decided to go for a smocked ruffled high-rise flared skirt. I think it's supposed to be flared anyway, yes, at the bottom. Now it's quite short. I don't normally wear quite short, but I wanted to give it a go. So this was £29 originally, and I got it for £8.70, so bargain. So I'm going to try this on. The thing that attracted it to me is a large, but as you can see, it's elasticated. A big girl loves elasticated. So I'm going to see how I get on with that. Now I do have some kind of Chub Rub shorts to go underneath them, because your girl gets Chub Rub in the summer. It's not a pretty sight. I don't like chafing legs. So I have got some, like I say, some little anti-Chub Rub shorts to go underneath. They're from Snag Tights. So I will be doing a full review of Snag Tights coming up shortly with their actual tights, and then the shorts that I'm doing as well. So watch out for that one. Right, so these are the ultra high rise utility joggers. I got them in a size extra large, so I'm hoping they fit. These are the only things I think that I bought from Hollister that have actually been full price, because I really wanted them. £35. They do feel like a really good quality as well. So they're quite thick They do have an elasticated waist on the back. Whether or not with the belt that's going to feel much different, I don't know. They're looking like they might be a little bit small, but they do have the cuffed bit at the bottom as well. So let's try some of these on. Just trying to think now what I'm going to pair each one with. I'm going to open up and show you both the jeans that I got from Debenhams and then also a pair of the shorty anti-Chub Rub shorts from Snag Tights as well. So here are the jeans that I ordered from Debenhams, from Principles, in a size 18. They were meant to be £22, they were down to £11, and then on the day that I bought these they had a 10% offer on all Principles clothing. So you are not mistaken, the 1990s did not call and ask for their white jeans back. I've decided to bring them back. Well, actually not me. I have seen that white jeans seem to be making a bit of a comeback. I loved my white jeans in the 90s. So yeah, I thought I wanted to give these a go. So I ordered 2 pairs of the, what do they call them? The Stay Cool Chub Rub shorts from Snag Tights. They always come in super cute packaging. The tights I had last time came up in, or were wrapped in it, yellow tissue paper. These are blue and white. I got 2 colours. I got them in the black and Builder's Tea. So I'm going to try the black pair on with the little skirt and let's see how I get on with those. And just to give you an idea of what the tights look like, or the shorts look like, without being in the packaging, they come like so. So obviously crotch bits here, and these will come down your legs. Now I think they're supposed to stop just above the knee, which would be great. And then in comes Rocco. So here are the Go Recharge high rise shorties, and with the white lace tee. It is a little short, but it's okay if you're wearing high-waisted. Again, with these shorts, they do have pockets either side, which is great, and they come just above, well, not just above, but 2 to 3 inches above my knees, which is great if I want to be wearing a skirt maybe over the top of them. I have been looking for a skirt actually, which is looks like a skirt at the front and shorts at the back, but I can't find one that I really like yet. So if you do see one anywhere that would fit a plus size body, please link them in the comments below. I would really appreciate it. So anyway, on to the shorts. They are very soft, as I've come to expect from Gilly Hicks. They fit really well. These are the extra large. Not sure whether the last ones I got were extra large or extra large, but they're super comfy. They fit really well. I'll try to come a little bit closer, and you can't see my underwear through them, which is a plus. And yeah, I'm really happy with these, and for the price, brilliant as well. With the top, I'll come a little bit closer. You can see that obviously I've got my bra on underneath that you'd expect to see anyway, but you can see that the lettering gets a little bit distorted over the chest, which isn't great, but it doesn't detract from the top. I love the little lace detail on here. It fits really nicely. I certainly wouldn't need to size up. I have been toning up a little bit lately, but unfortunately a couple of weeks ago I hurt my back, so I've not been able to exercise, and I have certainly started to feel it come back on a little bit, but I know once I'm recovered I'll be able to get back into it. Anyway, this isn't about exercise, Kerry, this is about clothes. So yeah, I'm really happy with these 2 pieces. The ribbed style is something that I've only just started really getting back into, because I was always wary of how clingy it was, but this has got lots of room in it, and I could quite possibly see myself wearing this again with some nice high-rise shorts, other than these ones of course, but some denim shorts. So I'm quite happy with this look. Next we are going to try on the skirt. So yes, we are going to try the skirt on with the Snag Tights Chub Rub shorts. So let's try this on. So a little mini skirt on me. I'm sexy. I'm really happy with this actually. This skirt is actually like stretchy right down to the hem. I think it looks quite nice on me, and it's kind of figure hugging, but not too bad. I have got the shorts on underneath, the Snag shorts, which are really nice. They don't feel really thick. They looked thick when you put them on, obviously stretch when you do put them on, but they are really nice, fit really well. I've got the builder's tee ones to try on as well. It is really nice. It's quite a light cotton material. I'll come a little bit closer and bring this down. It wants to move, yeah. So it is really pretty. I love the print on it. It's kind of like a flower print, and it is high rise again here, but if I was feeling a little bit conscious, I'm sure I could bring it down a little bit and not feel too bad about that, so that it comes just above my knees, but I'm actually quite alright with it being up here. I have got a thing about my knees. I hate the fact that I have what I call chubby knees. But all in all, I'm quite happy with this skirt. I'm happy with the way it looks. There aren't any pockets in it, but I don't think you get many skirts with pockets these days. They are my favourite, though I do love a skirt with a pocket. But yeah, really happy with these. Next, I'm going to try on the utility joggers. Here we are. Now, I'm not going to lie, these are a little snug. In fact, very snug. But we do have the elasticated waist at the back, which helps. We've got the belt obviously over the top as well. I've managed to get the belt done up, but on the last hold. So these were an extra large. I was a little bit dubious about whether or not they would fit, but they do fit. They are quite tight in the legs, so I can move. But it's weird that these were in their spring summer collection, because these are definitely, the thickness of them are definitely more of a winter type trousers to wear, or joggers. But we do have plenty of pockets. I am happy with the fit mostly. They're just a little bit snug. I think I would have preferred to have a little bit more room around here, because you can see that they are pulling a little bit. I'll come a little bit closer, you might be able to see that. So yes, they are pulling a little bit along here, but I'm hoping as I tone up, that'll get a little bit looser. And again, they are high rise, so they come way above my belly button, so that I can wear these short style tops with them, but they do fit really nice. Like I said, just a bit snug. You've got pockets on them here. Let me bring this down a little bit and show you. So yes, you've got pockets here. They are sewn shut, which is a little odd, but obviously they're utility pockets, so you can quite easily get your phone in there, plenty of room in there. And then you've got the same on this side as well, and again with the deep pockets here, and you have fake pockets on the back. I do like the camo print, and they do fit nice and snugly as well around the bottom here, so I am happy with them. I won't be returning them. They just could fit a little bit better. So a little bit of an odd combo, but I'm wearing them nonetheless. Here is the t-shirt top, so the ribbed t-shirt with the lace detail. Again, I will come a little bit closer. You can see this isn't spreading too bad. With it being a ribbed tee, I actually really like this one. I think I actually prefer this one to the white one. Again, there's not much stretching across here, and all the embroidery is staying where it should do, not stretching. Again, it is cropped, but if you're wearing high-rise bottoms, then you know it's going to be fine. And yeah, for the price, you can't really argue at the price of this one at £6.80. And then with the leggings, again, Gilly Hicks leggings, we do have the pockets down each side, so that you could fit your phone in there easily if you're going for a run or any other kind of jogging. These again are XXL, and I actually think for once I probably could have gone down to the XL because they do feel a little bit loose here, but again they're just super soft, and I love the pattern. Let me bring this down. Yeah, I absolutely love the pattern of these, and again they are just so soft, softest leggings I think I've ever felt or worn. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. So here are the jeans. From a distance they look just fine, but I won't lie, they're a little tight. They fit mostly nicely around my legs, but yeah, it's really tight around here. I can do them up. Now I know jeans give a bit, and I think these will do a little bit because they've got a bit of a stretch to them, and they are cuffed at the bottom, but I know when I sit down I'm going to get that awful donut and I can barely sit down in them. So yes, these jeans standing up only until I tone up a little bit, but yeah, they're not too bad, to be fair. Less than a tenner, can't really grumble about them, but let's have a closer look. So yes, you can see they're a little tight here, and you can see that I've got a bit of a bulge. Now these aren't supposed to be, I don't think, high-waisted, but and they do, they're not really, they're kind of a mid-waist bit, because you can see my belly button with them, but I can still just about get away with wearing the cropped top with it. I'm definitely not going to get rid of them because I do think this is a really cute look. So that's it, my little vlog for this video. I hope you have liked it. It's my first time trying to do like a spring summer haul, so I will try and do some more, but obviously I need to get paid again first because I'm a little bit skint now. So yes, overall very happy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If there are other trends that you would like me to try on, then please do leave some comments below and I will read through them and try to appease you all with them. But yes, that is it for now. Please like, subscribe, ding the notification bell next time I upload so that you can see what I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.